take a look at the recipe. The ingredients for this are, I have 3 eggs, I have 1.5 say potato which I have sliced in this thin, and I have boiled them in an open container, like I've put water and put these in that and have it boiled, like have it cooked properly. Okay, I have 1 chopped tomato, I have about 2 to 3 green chilies finely chopped, I have some spring onions, just a spoonful of them for garnishing. If not, you can also add coriander leaves or you can skip adding them. Then I have chili powder, I have salt, this will be as per your taste, pepper will be as per your taste. The haldi powder, I have about half a teaspoon. I have 1 magic masala. If you don't have it, you can avoid and you can just go ahead with this ingredients. And I have 1 cube of the regular cheese. Let's get started. Very first thing, we'll prepare our egg mixture. This is optional. If you do not want, if you like the half fry eggs, you can go ahead and put them like this only in the pan without beating them. I do not, however, like it, so I like to make an omelette and put it on top. It is optional, it is as per your choice. So I'm going to make an omelette. So I am adding very little salt. People who are using Maggi masala need to add little salt, because then it will become very salty, because Maggi masala also has salt in it. I am going to use half of the turmeric powder here, which is 1/4 spoon. I am using chili powder, some pepper, and I'm going to use magic masala. Just say 1/4 teaspoon I'm using in this, okay? And now we are going to beat this. This is done. Let's start cooking. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of oil in the pan, and in this I'm going to add in little haldi powder, chili powder, and a pinch of salt. I'm going to kind of mix this in the oil. And now we are going to put in our potatoes. Slightly toss this. They are slightly roasted. We are going to just spread this across in the pan. Add in our tomatoes. Add in your green chilies. That is it. You don't have to wait for tomatoes to get fully cooked. You're just going to spread this across the pan now. So we're going to spread it evenly everywhere, because you don't want too much potato in a bite and then you don't want less potato in a bite, right? So we're just going to spread the tomato and potato across the pan. And try and push all of this in the pan base, like do not keep it very widespread across the pan. You don't want it coming out of the omelette. This is done. Now I'm going to put a pinch of salt on top. I'm going to put some pepper powder. I'm going to put a little of Maggi masala on this. Some more salt. We have not added salt to the vegetable, that's why I am adding salt here. Now we're going to pour in this egg mixture. in this, but ensure that you spread it across and pour like this. You have to cover all the potatoes and tomatoes in this. Okay, so after this, the quick step is to cover the lid and let this cook. I'm going to put the flame on medium and we're going to cook this. About 3 to 4 minutes, I'm going to slow down the gas flame because we don't want the potatoes to stick to the base. So cook this on slow and preferably try and use a non-stick pan so that it does not stick at the base. So how are you going to check whether this is cooked is just take a knife and poke it anywhere at 2-3 places and see if the egg comes on it. This is clear, so that means the egg is cooked. Now we're going to grate cheese on this. Put the gas flame off because then you don't want your potatoes to be fried at the end, and I'm just going to grate this on top of the egg. This is done. I'm going to add in our spring onions on top. Like I said, you could use even coriander leaves or you could just leave it with the cheese. And the flame is off, guys. I'm just going to cover this for 2 minutes for the cheese to melt with the steam. On the cheese, here you can see that's melted. Now I'm just going to take a little chili powder and add it on top of this. And a little Maggi masala I'm going to add on top of this. Very little, guys. You've added it twice already, so don't add too much. That's about it. This is ready. Hope you liked the recipe, and don't forget to like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel, and be tuned for more recipes in the kitchen of Prep Cook Life. You can see the layers of egg and tomato inside.